Welcome to Product Critique, where we help you discover the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of stylish accessories, and we're excited to present the best men's Kentucky Derby hat, the summer casual beige straw Trilby Fedora hat for men. Whether you're preparing for a special event or simply enjoying a sunny day, this hat is the perfect blend of fashion and functionality. This summer hat combines a classic style with modern comfort, featuring a lightweight design that's ideal for warm weather. Made with a blend of 80% paper straw and 20% nylon, this Trilby Fedora offers excellent breathability and a comfortable fit that will keep you cool and stylish all day long. Its high-quality materials are not only durable but also environmentally friendly, making it a great choice for eco-conscious consumers. One of the standout features of this fedora is its versatility. With an adjustable rope inside the sweatband, it's easy to get the perfect fit for head sizes ranging from 22 inches to 22 7/8, suitable for a wide range of wearers. And the best part? This hat comes with 3 distinct decorative elements, allowing you to switch up your look depending on your mood or outfit. You can rock a more traditional look or add a little flair for something more personalized. The design is both stylish and practical, with a shorter brim angled down at the front and slightly turned up at the back, giving it that iconic, timeless look that the Kentucky Derby is known for. The Trilby hat has been favored by stylish individuals for years, and it's no surprise that it remains a popular choice for men and women alike. It's a unisex piece that can easily be paired with casual or dressy outfits. The hat is not just for looks, it offers practical sun protection as well. Its UV-resistant material keeps the sun's harmful rays at bay, so you can wear it outdoors without worry. Whether you're headed to the beach, a garden party, or a picnic, this fedora provides both comfort and sun protection, making it an excellent accessory for any summer outing. In terms of care, the hat is easy to maintain. It's recommended for hand washing only, ensuring that it keeps its shape and color for years to come. Plus, with 14 color options available, you're sure to find the perfect shade to match your wardrobe. So, if you're looking for the perfect blend of style, comfort, and protection, the summer casual beige straw Trilby Fedora hat is your go-to choice for the best men's Kentucky Derby hat. It's an ideal gift for yourself or any fashion-forward man in your life. Be sure to check it out on Amazon and grab yours today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next product review. See you next time.